Hello, welcome to the H&J show, and today we're going to do our very first unboxing video! Now before you ask, I know that I'm not like a big YouTuber or anything, but this is actually by popular request, so. Alright, so let's get right into it. First off, I'm going to tell you what computer I got. It's the Omen by HP 870-222. Has an i5 and a NTX 1050, for anyone who is wondering. 256 gigabyte solid state drive with a terabyte of hard drive space. And no, I'm not actually going to unbox it for you because my phone doesn't have that much memory on it, but I will show you when it's set up. And yeah, I'm really good at being a redneck. This is what I'm using to open my box. So here we go. Comes with its own mouse, which is irrelevant because I have my own mouse that I will be using, but there's the power cord, and you can never really run out of useless mice to have, but there's that. And once again, another useless piece of equipment that I already have for it is a keyboard, but you know, if one breaks, I'll have another one ready. And here she is, the Omen 880-222. I'm gonna set this up, and then we will see where I go next. Boom, 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 boom.
Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Anyways, while I'm setting up Windows here, I will show you my mouse that I also got. This is the Corsair M65 Pro. It's a pretty cool gaming mouse. I want to set up a pin. Correct. No. Well, sure. I didn't pause it. Here we go. I'm going to download Overwatch first. Get my Blizzard account up and running. I'm so excited for this computer. It's going to be so great. I can also do a lot of recording stuff on here. Can I take off this? No. I'm also going to be doing a lot of recording stuff on here, so it's going to be really nice for that. It's going to be pretty much the heart and soul of my studio now, too, because it has the right processing level for me. Like I said, it's i5, so I can get Pro Tools on it, and it'll be awesome. But yeah, super excited. Again, this was a video by popular request. This wasn't something that to make me feel big or anything. But yeah, let me know what you would like me to talk about next, or Josiah to talk about next, in the comments, because most of our videos are by popular request. We don't really do things for us, so let us know. Thanks for watching. Bye.